Everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have any idea, let me know how to organize and arrange these pieces. I don't like to hold stuff over here, but I have to because I keep forgetting. So if you have any suggestion, please let me know. Second thing, inside the condition of my fridge is like this, and today I'm going to organize this place as well, along with freezer, which is jam-packed and no space. Somehow these things are not working for me, so I have some organizers and bins to arrange. So after cleaning fridge, I have these boxes and containers to store. This is the long one. I'm trying to keep this in freezer. This is for $13 in sale. Actual price is $17 from Winners. So these three are $13 each. And this is from Dollarama. This is also from Dollarama. These are also storage bins from Winners. Home Sense. The price is $15 each, but it's for $10 in sale. I have this and the Lazy Susan, which is also known as turntable. These are stacking on fridge shelf. These are for vegetables and fruits, drain one. And these are small bins for door organizing, fridge door. So let's see how it goes. So this is not a proper size for this freezer because this has a slant behind, so I have to remove this from here. So I have these bins as well. These are the deep one, and size of these bins are 31.5 centimeter into 22 centimeter plus 14.7 centimeter. So this is actually 12.13 inch long and 8.3 inch deep. I guess no, it's wide, and 5.7 is deep. So let's try this. Okay, this size is good. And second one. Only problem with these bins are only two bins are coming in. I wanted more space, but that's okay. I guess after keeping these bins down, I can set this one up. So now I have double space. That's a good one. Let me try if I can close. Yes, I can close this. This is the third one. Now I have this bin also, which is deep. So let's try this as well. Yes, this is also coming here. So this is the layout of my freezer's below part, and now this one. I think first I will try with this one and then these deep one, if this can fit. So let's take these. Keeping it like this, then I'm able to keep three drawers bins over here. this is not coming. So removing this. Now here I have two large bins. I'll try with this one. No space. I can keep this here like this, and these parts are empty now. So let's try with other bins. This is a bit loose and not touching below. It should actually touch below so it will fit properly. So this is the layout of the freezer now. This is nice. This is making my space double as of now. Hopefully I will be able to move this afterwards also when I fill this. I have one small space here and one here. I can find another container, small container to keep here so nothing will fall behind, but at the moment I don't have, and this is the only space. I might have in basement storage or somewhere else, but I don't remember now. So this is good. So right now I have kept this item randomly because I just wanted to finish the stock first and then get the new one to eat, and I will be keeping those in a zip pouches. So it is all just I wanted to finish this. These are some non-veg items and my cauliflower packet. This is some vegetable items, some snacks and tiffin items, fruits. That's it. So this is the only thing what I have before going to bed. I have lost one wheel of this freezer part, so it is not that moving flexibly. Now time to set fridge section. Little confused. Should I start first with eggs? Egg here in maybe in Canada or just in Calgary, I don't know, but we need to keep eggs in fridge. This is one. So this is egg tray. Another one I'm planning for Lazy Susan. We'll check this later. I think I will place these bins containers on top because it is easy to put hand and remove these, and it doesn't have a lid as well. This is removable neck. Should I use this bin behind egg tray? It's not going. It's risking. I better avoid it. I have this bin to fit, and this bin to store bulky items. So now, after a couple of adjustments, I have decided to place this bin here in between. This is not blocking anything, and even for eggs, if we want to remove egg, we can pull this out and then put it back. So simple and easy. Now next is these hanging baskets, or these baskets can be hanged here like this and this, for small stuff like coriander, chilies, ginger, or any other stuff like that. I just have to be careful for not overflowing this. And this is the second one, keeping in center because there is an egg tray. I cannot put it in the corner. Small things like this give so much space and give easy access. This is blocking. I can shift a little bit here. Okay, so these two shelves are done. Now the third one. Now for this lower shelf, I have these bins. These are also acrylic, and you can say acrylic or plastic, but these are for vegetables and fruits because this has a drainage. And I'll show you what is it. This is the lower base net. This is a tap kind of thing from where water comes out when it goes in from the vegetables and fruits. This is another net. We can create level in this, or we can do partition with this. We can just fold it and do partition. So this is the one. This is the small size than the green one. This can go up to save space. This can go here. And this is the smaller size. This place I'm keeping empty, so I can keep some leftover foods if I want, or anything else. I have this space and this space. If I'm keeping it like this, I have more space behind here and here, as well this Lazy Susan, but I'm not sure should I keep this or not. So after thinking, I have decided to place this Lazy Susan here because this is taking so many items and it's easy to remove. And I'm getting so many space over here which is empty because of Lazy Susan. Lazy Susan is also known as turntable, so don't get confused. Yes, can also add butter over here, which is not stopping me from removing anything. I have and this little work, but still I'm getting space. That's the more important thing for me, to create as much space as possible. Now this is empty and this is empty. In one of the section I may keep some bins, and one of the section I will keep it empty with some empty tiffins, which will help me to store food items, leftover foods. So I have so much space here to keep leftover foods, as you can see. And here I haven't added any bin and kept the space for large packets. So I have corn, and this is celery. So I have corn below and salad. Good. So this is my total space on this side. Keeping this randomly inside because I have ordered cheese holder, so that will come from Temu within a week time. So at the moment I'm just filling it as is. Like this, you can keep your small pouches on this shelf and it is not losing anywhere. Easy and quick. That's it. And my next is cheese box, cheese packet. This is really good if you travel with any child and you want to take cheese along. So this is the box. I have the Swiss cheese. See how easily this is going in, and it is going to be very safe in this because normally when cheese are out of the fridge, this gets soft and get many cracks. So like this you can keep as is in fridge also, and you can even take this along. So I have 2 boxes. I can even put cheese cubes also in this. I'll just try. I have some. So here I have some cheese cubes. See the condition of the cube when it is just kept in the fridge without any box or anything. The shape changes. Like this, you can add many small items in a box and keep it organized so it is easy to find, rather than like this, just dumping all inside and then searching for it. So this is really good. Hope you like this. And also I would like to suggest you one thing, that if you have any brochure organizer or a holder like this, you can add these items and keep it in fridge. So this is another organizer for you.